Today guys, we're going to be going to a brand new motocross track in northern Illinois. As you guys can tell, we're going to be riding my Gen 1 Stark today. It has been so long since we have rode a track, so I'm not too sure how this is going to go. Oh! But I will say what's really cool about this place is that it just reopened again earlier this summer, but it was a track that closed in like 2008 or 2009. So it's been sitting there for a good 15 years before someone finally bought it and then reopened it again. Let's get the truck all loaded up. Always got to bring the toolbox in case something happens. We're going to rock the windbreaker out there today. It's been pretty cold out. Can't forget the boots. We're out here, Fox Valley, guys. Alex is back on the channel. He moved out of town like a few months ago, so he's finally back here with us. We're gonna go hit the main motocross track, I think, to start out with. It looks like they got the kids track right here. It's been a long time since we have hit a track, bro. There's another Stark out here.
You suck, you jackass.
Dude, I cannot do that step up. So many boulders in the middle of the track, bro. Another Starkey right here. We do. That would be good for like rainy day, like, well, not rainy, but like muddy days.
That's when you know you're efficient.
That's when you're the real deal.
Yep.
Yeah, it looks better. Track just got watered.
How are yours looking? Are they leaking?
They're leaking, but it's not like horrible yet. But I definitely got to get that done.
I would wait until they're like actually like seeping out before.
You think? Oh my gosh, I'm so gassed. Oh, I'm tired, brother.
Yeah, me too.
Successful day though?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. Alright guys, we're about to get the bikes all loaded up. If you guys like this video, definitely drop a like, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.